Oh, no. Oh my gosh, those tires, I almost went sideways. I swear to God, I almost went sideways.
Yeah, and I'm like, why would you do that?
Hey everyone, welcome to another video. This week at Challenge Night, we had 15 people when we put them all in the same races, which I love when we have these giant races. It leads to more chaos and just a lot more interesting things happen. For this race format, we did Joker laps, which if you don't know are essentially 2 shortcut laps that you can take on the track. In this case, we were doing our race course that kind of looks like the Among Us guy. It's got like 3 really big hairpins at the very front of the track. And the shortcut in this case was in the middle of those hairpins. You can just cut right out of it and go back down the back straightaway. Joker laps are great because it gives you ways to get around people, which is always kind of hard to do when we're rental karting. And there's a lot of strategy involved. It was a really fun night overall. The kart that I had in the last one was probably one of the most challenging karts that I've ever had to drive. The grip on those back tires was really non-existent. And at the end of the race, I came really close to spinning myself, which would have been really embarrassing. But yeah, while you're watching, if you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more, make sure you click that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate any support. Any little bit helps. But you know, do whatever you want. Have a good one.
All right, we're back for challenge night. We have a lot of people in this race. We got 2 Joker laps. We got a crazy course that's going to have a insane turn 1 that I feel like is going to end up being a disaster. Okay, we're going to wait for 1 second. Okay, hold on.
2 seconds later.
All right, never mind. They're not going to have us kill each other on turn 1 by trying to go in there with everybody. We're going to do a nice, sensible turn 1, and then we're going to do the crazy turns at the beginning. Oh, boy, this is funny. We have some employees in the race. It's fun to actually race with the employees for once. Let's see how they do, huh? All right, now we're going to start. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa, okay. All right, get in there. Get in there, Kevin. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there, buddy. Get in there, buddy. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, no. Oh, my God. That one was not me.
Several song-filled hours later.
We're back. We're going to try this one again. We immediately made a mess of the entire thing. I'm glad I did not kill Kevin. That's important. I'm glad I had reactions and swerved away from killing Kevin. Let's go. Come on. Okay, let's try not to kill each other this time. Is the same situation going to happen? Wow, wow, wow. Watch out, Mason. Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Okay, well, this is a crazy start, obviously. Oh, my God. Oh, man. Okay, well, we have 2 Joker laps that we can take anytime we want. I'm probably going to try to wait a little bit here. I feel like people are going to take them. People did not take them. Okay, oh, no, we got to take them here. That's right. Yeah, I really thought it was the front stretch for some reason. I think usually because when we do it, we do the front stretch. I think I'm going to wait a second. Okay, go for it, buddy. Go for it. Okay, I just want open space. That's all I want. Give me some open space. Let me make up some ground here. And if I can pass anyone while doing it, that's even better. I'm not sure. This is not an easy course to pass on. That's for sure. Okay, great. Good. Let's see if these guys. Okay, he's gonna take one. Come on, Brian. Let's go. I'm gonna wait like one or so. We need to do a little catch up here. Now I think we take one if they don't take one. Frick, dude. Hello, Steve. I know that trick you're trying to pull on me, brother. You taught me that trick. I remember it. I don't want to be stuck behind this guy, though, to be honest. So let's go ahead and take another one right now. Okay. All right. That worked out okay. Hopefully no one else has any jokers left. And we're just scot-free. That would be great, but I'm sure other people have jokers. Does no one else really have jokers? Did I go from 10th to 1st? Let's freaking go, brother. Let's go. Holy. Let's go. Well, that paid off. Oh, it was almost so good. All right, we're back for qualifying race 2. Went from 10th to 1st in the first one. Can't really complain about that, huh? Let's try not to have a disaster like we had at the start of the other one. And let's go. Okay. Wow! 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 Okay, you gotta let me through. You gotta let me through. Okay. We've all made it through. I think we were 4 wide somehow at that point. we were too wide for a lot of that successfully, and then things went haywire. I will gladly take this open space. Gladly. Until we catch someone. Which might be immediately. So I think we're going to have to take one. Let's get in there. Sorry, Clay, my bad. Okay, here's the thing. We have to get space in order to get ahead of Clay. We have to catch up, and we have to have some open space. If we take it right now, we're never going to be ahead of him. But I may have to take it right now just to get away from you. Yeah. Frown. Oh, if we didn't get held up for like one, it's okay. Sorry, Clay. My bad. That was purposeful, Clay. I had that spot, bro. Your carts, is your cart slow, brother? Maybe not. I mean, I'll certainly just take third. Just taking third is fine. How many laps we got left? Like a couple? Yeah, it's just like too hard to pass, I think, without jokers. And I've already used my 2. Yep, that's okay. We'll take third. We'll take third. All right, good race, good race, good race. All right, back for qualifying, or back for the feature race. Yep, qualified second. I hate to be on the outside. Let's try to make the best of it. Outside sucks. Rather be in third. Wow, bro. Okay, all right, bro. Okay. Boy, you really scrubbed me out there. We're getting bumped everywhere. We're getting bumped everywhere. Come on, brother. Great. Okay. I just want open space. Oh boy, my tires are sliding. Nice. Perfect. This is exactly what we want. We exactly want that. Yes, open space. And we'll go till we catch this guy, I guess. My tires hopefully will have some grip by that point. Oh my gosh, I have no grip. Yeah, I have absolutely no grip right now. My goodness. Guess we gotta be a little more gentle with the gas pedal so we don't start sliding everywhere. Perfect. Okay, good. What a nightmare. Yeah, we're just gonna go again. Alright, well, we're flying by. We have no more jokers left, so here we go. My tires are still cooked, and we have 8 laps to go. These tires do not have any grip. This is fun. Oh my gosh, I have no grip back here. Holy, it's really bad right now. It's really bad right now. We're trying our best. If I can just not like spin these tires on all the curves, I'm gonna be okay, I think. Because I feel pretty fast. I am slightly pulling away from Clay. That's good. Okay, thank goodness that guy had a joker and took it. I did not want to have to catch up to him and try to pass him. Hopefully, everyone behind me has taken their jokers. That's what I have to pray for. Oh my gosh, so much wheel spin. Oh my gosh, please stop, wheels. Please stop. I think we're coming to white flag. So, moment of truth, I guess. Oh, he didn't have one. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's not mess up. Oh my gosh, those tires, I almost went sideways. I swear to God, I almost went sideways. Let's go, let's go. Whoosh. Good race, good race.